Let's get these beautiful beach waves using the Launge Duo It All set. Launge sent me these products to try out. I'm going in with the Heat Protectant Spray to protect it from heat and humidity. Then I'm going in with these alligator clips to separate my hair into sections to make styling much easier. The Laduo lets you choose your preferred temperature for your hair type and styling needs. Now I'm going in with the Laduo 360 Air Styler to create some beautiful beach waves. The cooling air vents lock in your hair's natural moisture, which enhances shine and provides a longer lasting sleek style. You get the best of both worlds with the styler, as you can do curls, beach waves, and straight hair all with one tool. The styler works on all hair types, comes in different colors as well as 2 different sizes depending on your hair length. When doing your hair, you want to work in smaller, more manageable sections. The Laduo also has a power swivel cord that makes it easy to maneuver when styling. Look at those waves. My hair looks so beautiful and healthy. Shop by clicking the link to shop on the TikTok shop.